down.
Oh.
Any other questions, guys?
Work, 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 work. You see me have you work, 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 work. You see me do me da 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 da.
Okay, y'all, so we out here with the swamp tour. This is the building where you check in. And this is the water. So that's one of the boats right there that you can get on, but I'm not getting on that boat. That one is like the covered one. We getting on the airboat, but that one is available for people. It have the shade. But I wanted to get a real experience. I always wanted to ride an airboat like Scooby-Doo. LOL. So we're going out here. Ooh, let me move out the way. Y'all, the wind about to blow my lashes off. I'm telling you, it's about to take my lashes off. But this is it. Y'all, they water so brown, child. I'm sure this one is the only boat that's in the water. Intimate Gator. Okay, y'all, so this the boat. I think this one we're gonna get on. It might not be, but it look like this. Oh yeah, I didn't show y'all the other part when we got off that ferry because it was nothing. Like, we literally just went across the water. Like, maybe we was gone on that boat like 4 minutes. It definitely wasn't a whole 5 minutes because I was trying to look up a restaurant. I couldn't even find one that quick. So, yeah, it's lit out here. I'm going to show y'all when we get on the boat. I'm going to show y'all some more.
About to get in the swamp.
All right, y'all, we on the boat.
Okay, now, guys, I'm on this boat to see some gators.
Here we go.
All right, Louisiana, New Orleans. Gators. Saw the gators here in the swamp.
Mom, put the thing on so we can go. What you doing? This is the captain behind us. Period.
None of them's aggressive, man. All that shit you see on TV about gators attacking this, gators attacking that, bullshit.
Oh, okay.
Don't buy into none of that. There's probably 70% of that story they don't tell you because it's all fake media. It's all fake.
Okay.
That's fake too. Don't buy into that shit either. Troy Landry, I wouldn't pee on Troy Landry if he was on fire.
And I love watching. I love him.
Hi. No, because back home they just be walking around.
Yeah, the gators in Florida, they walk around.
And they don't bother
See,
you.
the thing is, in Florida, there's not that much space for the gators to expand. We have the same amount of gators as Florida does, but we have more area for them to expand out into. There's more people per square inch than Florida. There's more people per square inch over there than they have land and more
You got
area.
water, they come right up to your door and stand.
Yeah, we have the same amount, like I said, but we have more area than for them to go around in. But in Florida, every freaking square inch of Florida has a person. Because you got so many people from up north trying to move into Florida to get the shit out of the snow and everything. But this gator right here is a big baby. This right here is about 9 foot long.
They know they come back.
He's beautiful.
He's a big baby. If you go to youtube.com and you look up man swims with gator, it's myself swimming with from a 6-foot gator to about a 12.5-foot gator. In the water.
So you be knowing them like the ones you see all the time?
I know a few of them.
Okay.
But I could do this with any gator from Texas to Florida. You just got to have patience and you got to have respect for them.
How long did babies take to come?
How long do babies take to come?
Yeah.
Well, they mate
Like the eggs and stuff?
65
Yeah.
days gestation period, but they'll have to mate, then they'll take 65 days.
That's it?
Yep.
Dang. Humans be pregnant 9 months.
Come here, bro.
Hi. You are so cute.
Come back. Oh, watch your head. I'm up here. All right. Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy. And actually, those underarms rub right here. Right here. Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy. You got your arm. Don't leave him alone. Don't go mess with him. He loves to mess with them other ones. He's very protective of me. Come here. Oh. Any other questions, guys?
Oh my goodness.
Hi. They so cute.
What's your name? What's your name one more time?
Brad.
Brad, that was dope just now.
Appreciate it, man.
I never seen that too.
No problem.
Hi.
But see, as you can clearly see, guys, don't buy into that crap on TV, man.
Yeah, I don't even watch SWAT people no more.
Yeah.
I love to hear him talk though. I can't
Just
lie.
call me up if you want to talk to me.
They probably be antagonizing the gator.
Just don't buy into that stupid crap, eh? That whole show is 90% scripted.
Hi.
You don't touch him, eh?
No, it's okay. I touched him. Okay. Oh, that's good enough for me.
I want to touch her.
He want to be real too. You can tell he want to be real.
Yeah.
Any other questions,
I'm
guys?
scared of you, but you look like you pretty
What
nice.
they do when the little winter season comes?
They hibernate.
Where?
They go into hibernation mode. They go up under the levee systems. They'll go into a deep sleep where they shut their heartbeat down to 1 heartbeat every 2 to 3 hours. Number one, we have to pay them the rite of passage to take you guys out here on a tour. Number two, deer hunters and duck hunters pay them a certain amount per acre for the right to deer and duck hunt. Number three, we pay them in June to harvest alligator eggs. And then again, we pay them in September to harvest the big gators. Y'all with me so far?
Mm-hmm.
Here's the biggie. The all industry. The all industry pays them $75 to $100 per acre every year just for the speculation they might have all on this land. Now, there is all found on this land. That's another story. Then they pay them 35 to 45% of every barrel of oil taken off this land. Case in point, body of water we just came in off of. Tree line on both sides, long, straight, and narrow. That was a canal dug by the oil industry. In order for them to get an oil platform back to those deposits, they had to dredge a canal, throwing the mud up on both sides, forming a hill or a levee. Seeds that was in the ground from a couple thousand years ago germinated into growth. That's the majority of the trees you see over there, directly behind us, over there, and over here. Because trees don't grow in the marsh. It's too soft. Nothing for the roots of the trees to take hold to. They just kind of topple over. The only tree that we have out here that they consider a tree is called a Chinaberry tree. If you look right here, guys, about 30 yards into the marsh, you see a tree. That's a Chinaberry tree. Now, the reason that tree will grow out here, because the roots of the tree is very shallow but wide, gives a nice stable base. The tree itself only gets to be about 7 to 8 foot tall, and it'll only get about as big as round as a mop handle because it can withstand a lot of wind. Now, they dredged, and I say they, the oil companies dredged approximately 50,000 miles. Yeah, you trying to touch me, you could grab me, pay me like my cousin. Any other questions, guys? Growth when it's not cured, right? There's lice, chiggers, we call them red bugs, different things of that nature. Now people thought that was a parasite, by the way, it grows on a tree. It's actually an epiphyte, it's an air plant. It'll grow in your hand as long as it has sunlight and moisture. Any questions, guys? You know, you see now it's covering everything, it kind of just grows.
We saw the same down in Honduras,
Yeah?
Okay.
in pasture land.
Yeah? But see, like I said,
And
before.
this is like 5 years ago.
Yeah, but see, that's how it was over here. It's just, it was patches, but now it's like everywhere. So I don't know if it's an invasive species. I don't know what it is, but
It's a new weed.
yeah, we call it hog's grass because
Yeah.
the pigs love it.
Oh, yeah.
They'll eat the shit out. They'll sit on on the water's edge, and they'll just. And when you pull one piece, it just kind of comes along with it. It just pulls along with it. So, but the bull tongue,
Dried out.
that's bull tongue, the big white flower. But this right here, like I said, they don't even know what it is. The two biologists I had, they're professors at Tulane University, one of the biggest universities in the country. And they took a picture of it a little while ago, and they're gonna send me some information about it.
Work. You see me have you work. You see me do me da 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 da.